Hi, and welcome to the Grand Lodge of Masons. My name is Richard Maggio, and I'm the Grand Master of Masons in Massachusetts. The spirit of friendship is what we honor in this year's statewide open house event. So we're opening the doors to every lodge for you. My wife Jody and I are very excited this year for this event. It means so much for us to see families and friends attend every year. So from our family to yours, be our guest. Find a lodge close to you by visiting massfreemasonry.org or by giving us a call at 617-426-6040. Thank you.